Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. I went ahead and took them out of the box. I just want to share the razors. So 4 razors came in from Robert. I know what 3 of them are. I'm going to have to put them back together so I can keep track of. As you can see, he's really awesome about this. He lists what he honed it with. This is the Ladrante Dressante Rose. That's a caudicle. This is the Gray Shale. I don't know that I've had that one. And I don't know what the FR Ladressante Bleuteux is. And this is a black silkstone. Alright, we'll try to keep this a little less boring, but this is for people that would just like to see the razors. If at any point I have the original photos of what these razors look like, I'll throw them up as I'm showing the razor. So this one right here is a Frederick Reynolds, guys, and it looks like he used some of the new horn I sent him, some black horn. Is that black or brown? I can't tell. I know I sent him one brown, but this right here, guys, is the Frederick Reynolds. I paid $16 for this as is. You can see some hone wear at the toe, but man, if you knew how bad this was when it got sent to him, it was awful. Like, this is over 6/8, guys. He really did some great work. He fixed the grind. This thing was covered in rust. Like I said, if I can find the photo for this or any photo for this, I will send it. I will put it up right now. But it's oiled up, so... And this is what I'll tell everybody. This razor right here, if you want to start out, this is a great little starter razor, and Robert put a lot of work into it. And I've probably got like $32, not including shipping back and forth to Robert, into it. But I'll give you a great deal if you want a nicely restored razor. Like I said, if y'all could see what it looked like originally, y'all would, you'd be flabbergasted at the work he did. Robert just does really good work. Oh, there we go. Get the tape going. Put that one back there. This is the Gray Shale. What's in here? I lack nails, people, so I'm not good at pulling tape off. Oh, super. No! It landed like this. Slipped out of my hand. So you can't tell as well on this one. Again, you got the oil, but this looked pretty rough. I will find the listing photo and put that up what this originally looked like. Now look at the grind. It's much better than it was. This is a Weight and Butcher celebrated fine India steel. And it's, if y'all can see, it's written on the spine. Sorry, I'm doing the best I can with the lighting here. It's nighttime, and this room does not get lit up very well. I don't think I've tried this Gray Shale edge, so I'm excited to try that. I need to be careful with razors moving forward so I don't replicate what I just did and drop them to the floor and mess them up. This one hopefully didn't, because it just landed slightly open. Alright, we'll speed this up. Hopefully I've been speeding it up on the previous ones. Y'all should see me like hunched over trying to look in this thing, make sure everything stays in. This is my filly. Guys, my green filly I had, that had broken scales. Robert redid this. So there's the filly, honed it up, and he even put the logo from the filly on here. Like, if y'all can see, let me get this lighting a little better. Is that better? Maybe, we'll see. But look at that, guys. Like, so excited about this. This is dyed elderberry. Obviously blue. Do I need to tell you it's blue dyed Elderboro? So excited. Filarmonica 12, guys. Didn't need a lot of work, Robert said, and I didn't think it did when I sent it to him, but this is officially my Philly 12. I got a hair shaper and a couple of small inoxes that are like, I'd say 4/8, but that's not realistic. They're smaller than that. They're like 6/16 or something. Who knows? Or 7/16. That's the way I'd put it. Really impressed with that, Robert. Love the material. All right, moving on. Sorry, guys. This and that Wade and Butcher Celebrated India were the ones I was most excited to get in. So, very exciting. We will tape it. Now, Black Silkstone. I like that Silkstone, man. That is a fine edge. There we go. Robert's going to be like slapping himself in the head when he saw that other razor just like hit the ground. Slide to fallen. Oh. And this is a Wade and Butcher Sheffield. I like the spine on this. It's similar to that fine India steel. Nice little barber's notch, shoulderless. I love shoulderless. And this one will go up for sale. I need to clean some stuff up. Sorry, I'm kind of getting out. New horn. This looks more to be brown than the other one. Look at that. Anybody's interested, want to start straight razor shaving, Wade and Butcher and Frederick Reynolds, they'll be up for sale. If you hit me up and you don't buy it off where I list it, you'll get a better deal, because pretty much wherever I sell it, they're going to take a 13.5% cut. So you'll easily save 13%. Just saying. All right. Did just do the head shave, and I'm about to figure out what razor I want to take in there and do a face shave. You made it this far, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you for being interested, seeing what came in. I'm super excited to use them all. I'm probably going to use the ones for sale last and kind of get those posted up on Instagram or something and let people contact me. But all right, guys, we'll catch you later. Peace.